Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something I know many of you are curious about: teeth whitening. If you've ever wondered which method is best for you, or if it's even worth it, stick around because we're breaking down everything you need to know. From professional treatments to at-home options, I've got you covered. First off, what is teeth whitening? It's a cosmetic dental procedure designed to lighten the color of your teeth and remove stains caused by things like coffee, tea, wine, or smoking. But not all teeth whitening methods are created equal. Let's start with the professional in-office treatments. In-office whitening is performed by a dentist and is one of the quickest ways to get noticeable results. Here are 3 popular options. Zoom. Whitening uses a hydrogen peroxide gel activated by a special light. In just one session, about 1 to 2 hours, you can lighten your teeth by up to 8 shades. It's fast, super effective, and done under professional supervision. However, it can be pricey, ranging from $500 to $1,500, and may cause some sensitivity. Laser whitening uses a laser to activate the bleaching agent. It's precise and ideal for targeted whitening. Quick results and less gum irritation due to laser accuracy. On the downside, it's one of the most expensive options, sometimes over $2,000, and it's not great for everyone, like those with fillings or crowns. Opalescence Boost is a chemically activated gel that doesn't require any light or lasers. It's effective and includes fluoride to reduce sensitivity, but it might take a couple of sessions to see full results, and it's still on the pricier side. If you want professional results but prefer to whiten at home, take-home kits are a great option. Custom whitening trays. Your dentist will create custom-fitted trays for your teeth and provide professional-grade gel. These are affordable compared to in-office treatments costing around $250 to $600, and results are consistent. However, it takes longer, 1 to 2 weeks, and requires regular use. Professional whitening strips. These are similar to over-the-counter strips but stronger and provided by your dentist. Easier for light stains and more affordable than trays. But they are not as effective for severe stains and they can sometimes slip around. Let's talk about what you can find at your local drugstore. These options are affordable but come with limitations. Whitening strips are great for surface stains and cost around $20 to $50. The pros are that they're affordable, easy to use, and widely available. However, the cons are that results are slower and less effective for deep stains. Toothpaste with mild abrasives can help remove surface stains. The pros are that it's super affordable and works as part of your daily routine, but the cons are that it won't give dramatic results and could damage enamel if overused. Lastly, let's touch on some popular DIY and natural methods. These may sound great, but proceed with caution. Brushing with charcoal is trendy, but it's abrasive and may wear down your enamel over time. The pros are that it's affordable and natural. However, the cons are limited evidence of effectiveness and potential for damage. This homemade paste of hydrogen peroxide and baking soda is effective for light stains, but use it sparingly. The pros are that it's cheap and easy to make, but the cons are that overuse can harm your enamel and irritate gums. So which option is best for you? If you need quick, dramatic results, professional in-office treatments are the way to go. For a more budget-friendly approach, consider take-home kits or strips. And remember, no matter which method you choose, maintaining good oral hygiene and avoiding stain-causing foods will keep your smile bright for longer. That's it for today's video on teeth whitening. I hope this guide helps you make the best choice for your smile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more dental tips and tricks. And let me know in the comments, what whitening method are you most excited to try? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.